today's video, we are going to learn how to install plugins for Dart and Flutter in Android Studio. Installing plugins for any application is very easy. Just you have to find that plugins tab and then search the plugin that you want to install. Click on install. After it is installed, restart the IDE and boom, your plugin is installed. So in order to configure your Android Studio for Dart and Flutter, we need to add some plugins. So open your Android Studio and click on configure, select plugins and here search Flutter. Or if you are inside your project, you can use this search icon and type in plugins, and inside the plugins tab you can search for Dart and Flutter. So for Flutter, install these two plugins, the Flutter one and the Flutter snippets plugin. After that, search Dart and install the Dart plugin and the Dart.extensions plugin. After you have installed both these plugins, click OK and just restart the IDE. And after you restart your IDE, you can now run your Flutter and Dart projects. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.